welcome to Gaming Fin, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the financial market. So today, my friends, we talk about Focus Entertainment. So I thought about making an update of my overall gaming industry portfolio, but then on the other hand, I thought like, come on guys. So we do this actually not now immediately. We still have some time until the year end. So therefore, Focus Entertainment had a very nice run today of 11%. And you remember my last video when I was talking about the debt of Focus Entertainment and about the market cap. So this is very important. So if you missed this video, please check it out again. I think it's a very important video to understand Focus Entertainment better. But on the other hand, so since I made this video, we went through very dark times. So we were dropping from 20 euros down to 11.54. So almost 42%. And then from the 42%, we were running back 34, let's say 35%. So that's pretty neat. And you see, we are not at the lowest the stock has ever been anymore. So, but the stock chart still looks terrible. So this can also just be a technical rebound, a technical bounce up. This happens a lot. It doesn't mean anything for now. So keep this in mind. So if you were trading this, if you were like let's say a trader there that saw actually such a possibility to make those 30 or let's say 20 to 30%. If you made this, then congratulations. I just bought 50 more shares at the price of 13 euros. So with those 50 more shares, I'm a little bit in the plus. But as I said, it's a small position. I still understand the risk. And it's important, guys, that you understand the risk of a company like Focus Entertainment. They are a great company with great games, of course. And I'm absolutely a strong believer in Space Marine 2. If this is pulling off this game, this is going to be their single most important game, actually. So keep this in mind. So therefore, Focus Entertainment, I mean, if you look at the chart and you're saying, oh, I'm a long-term investor. So if you invest in 2016, say, I'm a long-term investor in Focus Entertainment. And then you see where the chart is now. So basically, guys, you lost money. So you lost money from 2016 to now. So Focus Entertainment shows us all, and that's very important. It shows us that long-term, just saying long-term investor doesn't help you to make money. So it can also, in the end, just destroy some value. So for some people, then that bought like at the 40 euros, so I started buying actually here around about the 40 euros in 2022. Yeah, it destroyed completely my value from this time, but I bought a little bit more, and I said it already, so I'm averaging down because I am for the long time, so now I have to take care what I say, of course, but for the long time, I think now at the point where we are now, this is not the natural state of Focus Entertainment, especially if I compare the games they had before 2020 and the games that they were actually releasing now in the last years, and also the games that I expect to come out in the future. So it's very, very important. So this seems to be more like the fair value, probably 25 euros, something like this. So this might be an overreaction. Might be, could be. We don't know for sure. The market said 11.54 was an overreaction. Let's go back 4 euros up at 15.60. So, but guys, I mean, I'm investing now since quite some time, and then sometimes it's interesting if you just look at the technical perspective. So here it could be completely possible that we fall back to the 12, 13, 11 and euros, and then we stay there. So, but therefore it doesn't help now to look for reasons why we went up 30%. So I would say that was a technical reaction, because also overall the French companies, the French market was actually doing was doing actually not too bad. So, all right. So, but we have some news. We have some news with Focus Entertainment. So, still, guys. So, do your own research, due diligence. So, invest your own money, and please don't follow any YouTubers, people on X, Twitter, etc. So, that's very important. So, if we go now on their website, Space Marine, we go on latest news for investors. That's what I recommend. You always go on the investor relations pages of the companies you're investing in, either now gaming companies or other companies. And then we find from the 20th of December, we find the news that Geoffroy Sardin appointment as deputy CEO of Focus Entertainment. So Fabrice Larue, chairman and CEO, announces the appointment of Geoffroy Sardin as deputy CEO effective from the 2nd of January next year. So Fabrice Larue will oversee all... No. Geoffroy Sardin will oversee all Focus Entertainment Group activities and will replace the deputy CEO, Christophe Nobillot. I don't know why he is replaced. I mean, this is a publicly traded company, so sometimes this happens with publicly traded companies that deputy CEOs, they just disappear. So, I mean, on the other hand, you read the news with Kotick, or Cottage, how you call him. So Kotick, I think you say in English. So I'm not going to read through this, but I'm going to read very quickly through the biography. So this is just what they say. Yeah, we're happy, so everything's going to be good. And also employer where everyone can grow, express their ideas and develop their skills. So that's for that. This is what we do for the special. Yeah, it's a warm, nice place company. So everyone is happy there. Everyone can work there nicely and create games, and no one makes overtime and crunchy times. It's not written there, but therefore they write something like this. So Geoffroy Sardin's biography, that's more important. So graduated master's degrees on science in marketing. So he's a marketing guy actually. So, and then so he worked at L'Oreal in the marketing department, and later he went to Ubisoft in '98. So he's a Ubisoft guy, serving successfully as director of sales and then general manager of Ubisoft France. Geoffroy initiated the diversification of Ubisoft's brands onto a non-video game platform through licensing out and co-marketing. I hope that's not his plan here. I mean, it's okay to license a little bit out, but don't go completely crazy on this. So in the end, the companies have to make the cash. They have to earn the cash on the games and not on some cartoons or comics. So I mean, Embracer learned this lesson, and plenty other companies. So I think there's only one company that is doing successfully more money with Pokemon, probably Pokemon cards or Pokemon plush or other things, stuffed animals, than Pokemon games. Still making Pokemon. So therefore always be careful. In 2005, he was elected president of SNAIL, Video Game National Trade Association, where he advocated for the industry and enabled the video game sector to have a prominent place. So, yeah, it's better here. Have a prominent place within the French economy. So, and the video game sector has a prominent place in the French economy. I mean, if you compare the place of the video game sector in France to the video game sector in Germany, so it's really a difference. It's really different. So in French, the French gaming companies they have really publishing well-known gaming companies. In Germany, you have some studios, but yeah, they did well here. So in 2010, so that 13 years ago, Geoffroy ensured the coherence of marketing and sales actions for the EMEA, so European, Middle East and Africa territories, as vice president of marketing and sales. In 2021, he assumed the role of senior vice president of publishing of Ubisoft, so senior vice president of publishing, and then leading many teams in the launch of the group's biggest brands. He's a deputy CEO, so he's not a programmer. He's not a developer. Just keep this in mind. So, and this was the good time. So Far Cry, Rainbow Six, Assassin's Creed. This was the good time. So, and then what's next? The third quarter 23-24 revenues, and I'm going to cover this here on my channel. So if you want to to follow this, then please, yeah, click any button. So follow me or not, I don't care. 18th January 2024 after the market close. So 18th January 2024 after the market close. So that's very important. I'm going to make a video about this because I want to know myself what's going on, because this is for myself a reason why is it worth to put some more money in Focus Entertainment. So for me, it's became, honestly, since the drop here from 50 euros, the stock became more risky. Risky means just, is there possibility I get the losses I have now? Are they coming back? How long do I have to wait that I get this money back, or do I even lose more? So that's very important. So that's for me risky. And risk doesn't mean there's more higher potential to make money. So because it's maybe a higher potential to go like in 5 days 30% up. Okay, but in the long term, it doesn't mean there's more potential that it goes up to 50 euros. So definitely not. So always keep this in mind, guys. So all right, with that, I'm leaving it here. It's not going to be my last video of this year, so I'm telling you this already. So if you watch this video on X Twitter, so I would love that you actually follow me on X Twitter, because I also write articles about some of my analysis of gaming companies there. So see you next time. Bye bye.